Hi Megan, Nixon here from Timber Tree Service. This is your video recap for the tree removal work we did. This was a big job for me because it was my first solo tree felling job. My dad gave me a quick run through, but I pretty much knew what I needed to do. I made my face cut aiming for my drop zone, and I carefully did my back cut. It felt perfectly right where I wanted it to go, and the feeling was amazing. Then, as usual, we gave the property our signature cleaning treatment. Be sure to tell all your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tales of tree removal adventure.